Okay, I hope everything is working. Yeah, let's click create. See if we can figure this out. Everyone's been asking me to do part 4 of my rhythm game tutorial, but you know what? We're just gonna go full on master. How do I spell rhythm again? I'm dumb. You're not saying I'm dumb, I'm just gonna use that. Okay. Okay, so let me think how this is done. You know, let's just start off by drawing a simple background. We'll call this background stage, and we'll just make like a brown thing here. Like maybe we'll put like a circle in there, like that. And put it like that. And if you already have sprites for this and stuff, you can skip to a certain part of the video. I don't know which one, but you just skip to the part. So I'm just gonna do that. So it's part of the stage. I guess I could put that to front. That doesn't look half bad, man. That doesn't look half bad. Okay, so now that we got like part of the stage, I'm just gonna quickly, I'm gonna make some curtains. Scale this up. That. Maybe move those down a bit. So now we got a curtain. And now let's just go in like maybe like kind of black color and just do it like that. You know what, let's add lights. Let's add lights. Wait, that probably should be a square. I'll make it a square. And let's put a yellow thing like that there. And then what we'll do, like that. Yeah, I think that light is good enough. Put that there, so it's like a stage, and we'll like put them around, you know, like close in circles like this. There. So we got our back. Alright, I'm just gonna move this down a tiny bit. Move that down a tiny bit. Okay. Save the project. Now we got our background. Oh, don't know what happened there. Anyway, we got our background with our stage and everything. Now with our new stage, what we're gonna do is go paint, and we're gonna go what are we gonna do here? Let's just go arrows, layer, and we'll just go how about like a semi color like that. We'll just make like that, and we'll copy this, and we'll flip it like that. You know, no, that doesn't look good. I'll just do this, place it on there, scale it down a bit, and then basically good arrow. Here, I'll scale it down a little bit. Scale it down. And now we'll put our arrow right here. Wait, no. It should be left. Wait, you know what? Wait, yeah, actually. Should it? Just flip it to -90. Okay. Basically, we're going to want to take this and we're going to set the direction. So basically, one flag clicked. Go to about, actually, you know, we're just going to make it like this, you know? And like you could customize it and add the enemy if you want. I'm not going to be adding enemies in this game. I'm just going to be adding yourself because it's easier. Okay, so now I'm basically gonna make all the arrows in this sprite instead. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is point in direction -90 and what do we do next? And repeat and we'll change main array to arrow, change, set arrow to 1, change arrow by 1. When I here, we'll go down here. When I start as a clone, we'll go if, and then we'll go arrow equals 2. Point in direction, point directly down, and we'll, wait a minute, actually make a block, unless we're doing set. You know what? Yeah, run without screen refresh. Arrow space. We wanted to run without screen refresh because myself. What we want to do is create myself. And when I start as a clone, okay, so that's gotta be set to that, and that did absolutely nothing. Here, reset that number. Set that number to 50. Oh crap, I deleted it. Undo. Set that number a bit higher. Let's test it. Oh, it should be going this direction. Negative 100, maybe? That's a bit better. A little too spaced out. That's better, that's better. Okay, and we'll duplicate this, and if 3, we want to point it up, and we want it to be negative, maybe, wait, no. Negative 150 maybe? guess. Okay, and then finally, oh wait, we only want to create 3 clones. One, 300 just for now. Was what the hell? Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, that's a little too much, so we'll just go 275 maybe? I guess we should put this in the middle, huh? So it's a little more balanced. -250. Here. -60. Okay. That should be about good. That's our arrows like spaced out. That's just our arrow spacing. So we got our arrow spacing basically done. So as soon as you click, as soon as we click the arrows, as soon as we click the flag, it'll spawn in our arrows. If we click stop, our arrows disappear, and only this one. If we click our arrows, yep. And so now we should make our arrows that float up. So here, arrows. Wait, no, we should call them notes. So what we'll do is actually, we'll go new sprite, notes, and we'll go arrow spacing. Let's check how much time I'm on. Oh yeah, I've been explaining for 13 minutes. We've barely gotten anywhere. I need to speed it up. Okay, but I guess it's good that I'm taking it slowly. When clicked, go to 0, 0. When I receive, left arrow, when crossed, hide, show. Okay, we want to quickly copy, paste, flip, and then we want to arrows. Okay, so the purple one, I know it seems weird that I'm copying off FNAF, but you know what, I don't know. So I'm just gonna make it purple. So basically, negative 145, and we'll go negative 100 maybe? The max set to that, and then change Y by, you know what, we'll make an arrow speed here. Arrow speed, and when flag clicked, we'll set the arrow speed to 5. Okay, so oh no, I guess we don't want to do that. Yeah, no. Yeah, okay. Arrow type. Well, I guess we'll call it arrow type. We'll set arrow type to 1. And when I start as a clone, if arrow type equals, oh, gotta get the arrow type. Oh crap, no. Arrow type equals 1. Guess we'll do that, and we'll create clone of myself, and then we'll try clicking broadcast left arrow. That let's quickly hide all these variables because they're in my way. Broadcast. Okay, nothing happened. Why is that? Maybe if we go forever. There we go. That works. Okay, so now we got an arrow that flies up. And we can just keep spamming them. Oh, I don't know why, but it won't let us do anymore, but we'll try spamming it again. Yeah, it only lets us do so much. I don't know why. I think there might be a clone cap. Don't worry, we'll be able to, I think, delete the clones. Okay, so what we're next gonna do is, take this. Again, we're gonna pull up the picture. Here's, okay, we're gonna color this one red. Red. You can color any color you want. I'm just gonna color it red. Oh yeah, I forgot we gotta switch costume to 1. Okay, now if I start as when I start as a clone, if 2. Oh, no. Wait, no, we should be doing the down arrow next. Never mind. Okay. Definitely switch costume to that and show them what we'll position it in such a position. Nice. Okay, so -72 negative 998, negative 198. Okay, so there we go. Now if we broadcast, let's say, new message, down arrow. Okay, we'll set arrow to 2, and so now if we duplicate this and get a down arrow, if we look at our, over here, if we broadcast left arrow will go up. If we broadcast down arrow, a down arrow will go up. So there we go. Yeah, so we can just spawn these constantly. Uh-oh. I think, yeah. It's very weird. I know that I'm making it, okay. The charting is going to be tedious for people, but hey, what can you do? I know it's possible. Okay, again, for this next one, we're going to make F and F arrows. We're going to go for the up arrow now, which is green. So we're going to duplicate this, flip it vertically, and then we're going to green. And then we'll put the green if there, put it down there, arrow type equals 3. We're going to switch costume to costume 3. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to switch costume to costume 3, hide, alright, show. Okay, and we're going to drag it right there. Okay, now that we have the place that we need it to be. Okay, and now that was probably fairly easy. Now we just need to copy this code and broadcast up arrow. And then put it to 3, and then if we broadcast up arrow, so if we hit the flag, hit save now, left arrow, down arrow, up arrow. See? It all works pretty okay, I guess. Okay, and we can start mixing it up, you know. And if you want to make it faster, what you can do is you can take your arrow speed and set it to any number. Like you could set it to 100. I don't know. And then you can start spawning arrows. Or not, because clone limit. Look how fast it goes, man. Yeah, I would not recommend doing that. Anyway, okay, I'll sort that out. Yep, now we got our original speed back. Okay, so what we want to do, yeah, by the way, if you want to adjust the airspeed again, just click this and change the number. For now, I'm just going to keep mine at 5. Okay, so now we're going to make the next arrow type, which is the final one, which is the one I keep trying to do. Horizontal, I'm pretty sure it's blue, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this one is blue. Or like it's cyan color. Okay, there we go. Now we're costume 4. Okay, and there we go. Now it's right here, and we can line it up on your sprite menu. Or like or something. Okay, and then we're gonna get the X stuff. And then we're going to put this thing to -300, and then we're going to learn its maximum. The maximum is depending on the costume size and the sprite size, so I don't know. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to, again, copy this right here. And if you ever need to stop to copy the code, you could just go back in the video and you can pause. I do things moderately quickly, so because I try to get things done. But now, if I go right arrow, it should spawn a right arrow. Yeah, spawn a right arrow, spawn an up arrow, spawn a down arrow, spawn a left arrow. Great. Now, we'll just put these away for now. Now let's make kind of okay, and now what we're gonna do, if, okay, we're gonna go to the top one, if, okay, we're gonna quickly do this, okay, 300, if, Y position equals, or okay, let's just do greater than 188. No, let's do equal. Wait, actually no. Let's do 180. Let's be safe. Okay, we're gonna do delete this clone. Delete this clone. Same thing with this. We're gonna drag this in. We're also gonna drag this in. Okay, now I'm pretty sure if we go back to broadcast, we broadcast down arrow. Yeah, it disappeared. That's good so far. Left arrow. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have deleted these. Broadcast down arrow. Should go up and get deleted upon going too far off screen. Go up, get deleted up. Go up, get deleted. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna reduce. I'm gonna go. Wait, no. Put that back. Okay, not that one. We're gonna go 90. What that? I'll move it down a bit. That's good. Okay. 70. You know what? Just 70. Okay, that's good. There we go. Now I'm pretty sure if we broadcast up arrow. There we go. Oh yeah, also we have to make it so. Go to front layer when we click, so that it'll always be on top. See, now it'll go over, and there we go. I don't know what I just did. There we go. Now that we got that, let me check my time. 25 minutes. Jeez, we barely got into the main mechanics. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is if what we're gonna do is, in this forever loop, what we're gonna do is if where's the touching arrows player, and look at the thing so we know it's left arrow. If and touching and key space left arrow pressed. You know what? I'm trying to find a way I can do this without it being you could just cheese it and hold the arrows down. Maybe you can try some sort of delay system. And if delay equals 0, then sorry, I felt something touch me. Okay, delete this clone. And basically what we're gonna do here is real quick we're gonna program something. Up arrow forever if key up arrow pressed, then right here set delay to 1. Still a little bit of a wait, 0.1 seconds, delay to 1. We'll do the same with the down arrow. We'll do the same with the left arrow. We'll do the same with the right arrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this. Oops, I was close to the project. Okay. So I'm not sure how to do this. Set delay to 0. The thing is you can hold it. That's bad. Come on. And delay. Oh wait, I have an idea. If else set delay to 0. But this might actually work. Here, let me test it. Huh. So you can't just hold it down.
What the hell is that cat?
My cats make the weirdest freaking sounds, man. Oh, that scares me. Okay, now let's... Oh my god, cat, shut up, you're scaring me. Set delay to 0. If else, set delay to 0. If else, set delay to 0. 3, 0.3, 0.03, 0.06, that's 0.03. Oh, damn it. I typed too fast that I hit the backspace instead of enter. I know no one's gonna ask about this, but that's a problem. I don't know why. But after a while, if you just press them a bunch, the delay just gets set to 0 and only gets set to 1 if you press one of the arrows. I don't know why that happens. Why does that happen, man? Come on. Think. When right arrow press. Let's try and delay. I don't know if this is going to work, but I pray that it does. 0. My gosh, this is pain, man. I don't even know if this is going to work. It could not work. Okay, now we got that. That's concerning. That's concerning. And it did the same thing where it breaks again. Okay. Okay, let me try something. Okay, I put that back to the way it was where it was working quote unquote perfectly. But okay, if put that on top of there, put that on top of there, put that under there, drag these out, drag these out, drag these out. One flag clicked. Oh crap. Come on. Think. I have been stumped. Man, I haven't been stumped this much since I was working on the stand storage for my JoJo's game. Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. I just cannot figure it out. You know what, I think the way I'm thinking might work, but it's tedious and it uses a lot of variables. So we're gonna do it the tedious way that I think it might work. So when up arrow set. Here we go. Different arrows have their own delay. Yeah. It's gonna be freaking tedious, but it just seems like the easiest way that my brain can handle it. Honestly, I was considering it since the beginning. So I'm going to just do that. I'm really? Left arrow. Okay, Now we'll make a down. Come on, down, delay. We'll make a left arrow delay. We'll make a right arrow delay. And these are all variables, and you make sure they're for all sprites. Okay, so we'll do down arrow for down arrow, right arrow for right arrow. Right arrow delay, and that's left arrow. We'll do obviously left arrow delay, left arrow delay. Now we should be able to do all this without. There we go. It seems to be working. See, it was a little bit tedious, but hey, at least it works. Quotations. Okay. Up arrow delay. Okay, now that we have that, we'll duplicate it to here. If arrows player, and this one's the down arrow, so down arrow delay. And what we'll do is we'll go right here, we'll go up arrow delay, and then we'll go for the last one, we'll put it here, right arrow delay. Okay, now what we're going to do is get rid of these broadcasts, and we're gonna go when flag clicked. This is just for testing, but we're gonna broadcast down arrow. Wait 1 second. Broadcast left arrow. Wait 1 second. Broadcast right arrow, and then we're gonna broadcast up arrow. In fact, we put it to 0.5. Put it to 0.5. Just make it a little bit quicker. Okay, let's save it now. Zoom in and let's see if it works. Okay, so if that system is working, and if we let them pass by, they'll also disappear. Okay, now if we go. Okay, if I just hold down the down arrow. Well, that's promising. Okay, I'll hold down all the arrows. That's it. Let's go. Oh, crap. Okay, I'm glad I at least saved it. Ugh. Keep opening up a different browser. Okay, so at least it works now. That's great. That's good. And there's delay, so you can't just hold down the arrows. So to answer that comment that said, can you fix the holding cheating arrow, thing? There you go. There's your fix. It's a tedious fix, but it's a fix nonetheless. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go outline right there. Actually, no, that won't work. Rip feedback. You can also make it if you want to add WASD controls. It's the same thing if you added the arrows. You just go here, and if you want both, you just duplicate both and just set it for WASD. Now if I click the flag again, yeah, there we go. And again, you can add your own charts. I'm definitely not going to add in the video here. If you guys want, I'm good. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, I'm not gonna stop right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to chart a song. Basically, First, you gotta choose a song. You know, I'm gonna go on YouTube, and I'm gonna search up. I don't know, fresh FNF. Not that fresh. No, okay. FNF fresh. Okay, we have the song. I didn't want the OST, I wanted the normal. Alright, oh crap, not that. We're gonna go YouTube, MP3, and, where is it? Converter, maybe? Where is it? Where's the one I use? Not there. MP3. Sometimes it just doesn't pop up. Is it, man? The one that is like that never failed when it came to getting first scratch. I mean, I guess no, this one didn't work for some reason for scratch. It was just because it was a long song. But other than that, no. You know what? I'll try this one. Basically, you just want to get an MP3, a YouTube temporary. No, I'm not gonna press allow. Block. Basically, you're just gonna want to. Is gonna turn my thing into an MP3. FNF fresh, converting, download. No. Can you just download the damn thing? Download. No. See, this is why I don't do any other thing. Yeah, let's try this one. Okay, YouTube to convert, download. Don't click download on random things, guys. Seriously, really don't. We're gonna go with sounds in the backgrounds. No, not that. Ah, crap. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna go downloads, FNF fresh, or whatever file it's stored in.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, I'm just gonna delete the. Now keep in mind, you don't have to do the entire song, but listen. Okay, we're gonna do, click, place sound until done. I'm actually gonna delete the beatboxing part. I'm gonna delete the beatboxing part because, you know. I think I accidentally almost started it. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna set my arrow speed a bit higher, but okay, let's see. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna do when you click. Wait a bit before I start this output. Okay, so basically you gotta be listening to the song a lot. I'm gonna quickly try charting a song. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do. So. Yeah, so basically, charting your songs is a bit harder. But you know what? Instead of charting a song right now, why don't we add characters? You know? Why don't we add a character? Again, if you don't want to stick with me to make a character, you could skip, but basically, a lot of JoJo characters. You know, I'll just use the preset JoJo character I made. We'll drag him in and we'll call it the character animation. Okay, now we're gonna make the animations. So first we're gonna do idle. Maybe we'll make him like a bouncing thing. Okay, and we'll like do the animations. Idle animation. We'll first switch to idle. Okay, we're basically gonna go switch costume to idle and repeat 5 times. And next costume. Wait. 256. So basically we got this animation going on. Okay, so actually what we're going to do here is, so we have left over here, so broadcast. Left arrow animation. We're gonna make the left arrow animation first. What we're gonna do is drag this all the way down here and go left. Oh yeah, by the way, we're gonna go when flag clicked, let's go to back layer. Left animation, so we're gonna go left and then switch. We have to broadcast that animation there. Okay, so the animation is working good. So now we're gonna work on right animation. Okay, so we're gonna go right. Oh my gosh, the leg, man, leg. Okay, so we're gonna put that there, and we're gonna go right. Okay, so when we right our animation, we're gonna right. Okay, so answer. I put a timer like kind of before. Okay, so now we got that. basically we have the game. Didn't take, it took, meh. Saying, if I knew completely what I was doing, it definitely would have gone very fast. I guess it wasn't a tutorial. I guess it was kind of a learning experience for all of us. And so, with that, I ended on a high note. And if you followed along with the tutorial, everything should be working. If something isn't working, try going back in the video and see if there's something you could fix. But for now, yeah, everything is working. If you want me to add anything to this, like help notes, I'll try to figure out how to do that. But other than that,